This TIAJO Nonstick deep frying pan is a great addition to any kitchen. It boasts a stone-derived coating. This helps prevent food from sticking. You can cook your favorite movies' snacks with ease. The pan is also PFOA free. This means it's made without harmful chemicals. It promotes healthier cooking for people and families. The TIAJO Nonstick deep frying pan works on all stovetops. These include gas, electric, and induction. This makes it very versatile for different homes. The deep design is excellent for frying and more. Think of crispy chicken or delicious sports snacks. It even comes with one handy sponge for easy cleaning. This TIAJO Nonstick deep frying pan simplifies cooking tasks. This TIAJO Nonstick deep frying pan is also designed to produce no fumes. This can improve your cooking experience. The gray color gives it a modern look. It will fit well with other kitchen pieces. While it doesn't include a lid, its 11-inch size is perfect for many meals. It handles temperature changes well during cooking. This TIAJO Nonstick deep frying pan offers reliable performance without exaggeration. For anyone looking for a solid, everyday pan, the TIAJO Nonstick frying pan skillet is a great choice. It's a fantastic addition to your own kitchen. Plus, it makes wonderful gifts for the chef in your life. Its convenient size is ideal for many recipes, and its durability ensures it will be a stock item for years. While it doesn't have a huge capacity like larger pots, its 10-inch size is perfect for daily meals. There is no legend to decipher. It's simply a well-made, reliable pan. Forget about sticky situations and enjoy easy cooking with this TIAJO Nonstick frying pan skillet. Pros: stone-derived, all stovetops, gas compatible, electric compatible, induction ready, includes 1 sponge, PFOA free, gray color, deep frying pan. Cons: stone-derived coating? Sponge may be low quality, gray color may not suit all. 11-inch size might be small, no fumes. Claim debatable, PFOA free is good. But others? Compatibility needs testing, deep frying might need more features. No fumes, stone coating, all stovetops, gas safe, electric safe, induction safe, 1 sponge. PFOA free, gray color 11-inch size. This TIAJO Nonstick deep frying pan has a stone-derived coating that helps prevent food from sticking and makes it easy to clean without any fumes. It can be used on all kinds of stovetops, including gas, electric, and induction. The pan is gray, 11 inches wide, and comes with 1 sponge. It's also made without PFOA. This TIAJO 11-inch gray deep frying pan has a non-stick coating that comes from stone and can be used on all kinds of stoves, even the ones that use magnets to heat up the pan. Induction. It doesn't have a lid but comes with a sponge for cleaning. The company says it doesn't make fumes and is made without a chemical called PFOA. Some people might not like the gray color, and the pan might be too small for big meals. Also, the sponge might not be very good, and you might need to check if it really works well with all stoves. It's good that it doesn't have PFOA, but it's not clear if it has other safe materials. Because it's a deep pan, some people might think it needs to be even bigger for deep frying.